In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to assign HubSpot task queue types and sequences. To get started, open your browser and head over to the HubSpot website. Upon reaching the homepage, look to the top right corner and click on Login. If you usually access HubSpot using a Google account, go ahead and click Sign in with Google, then select the appropriate account from the list provided. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Sales tab. This area is the command center for managing and organizing your sales sequences. Click on Sequences to view the available options where you can tailor your sequences to align with your project goals. Select the sequence you wish to edit by clicking on it. This will enable you to add more personalized steps tailored to your specific needs. Now that you're in the sequence editor, you'll find a series of tabs at the top of the page. Click on the Steps tab. This section allows you to modify your sequence by adding or adjusting steps as necessary. Look for the plus icon. This icon is your gateway to expanding and refining your sequence by adding important steps that you hadn't included initially. Click on General Task to set up a task for your sequence. This option lets you specify broader actions or reminders that align with the sequence's objectives. As you set up the task, take a moment to consider its priority level. Assigning a priority ensures that your most important tasks get attention first, streamlining your workflow. Next, it's time to add your task queue. Adding a task queue can really supercharge your efficiency by categorizing and organizing tasks thematically. Click on Add a Queue. Within HubSpot, queues help you manage your tasks according to deadlines or project types, making it easier to stay organized. If this is a new queue, you'll need to create it by clicking on Create a New Queue. Give your queue a descriptive name that clearly conveys its purpose or the type of tasks it will manage. The clearer the name, the easier it will be to navigate back to it in the future. After you've typed in the name, remember to hit Save. Saving ensures that all of your hard work and planning doesn't disappear into the ether. With the queue created and saved, go ahead and click Add. This final step integrates the queue into your selected sequence, completing the setup process. And there you have it. You've successfully assigned HubSpot task queue types in sequences. This functionality not only improves your workflow, but ensures that you remain on top of all your necessary tasks effortlessly. Thank you for watching, and happy organizing.